Now, if you're about to give your bathroom its weekly clean, or perhaps you're going to do a spring clean, here are 7 bathroom spots you may need to clean. Now, in at number 1, we have the shower head. Now, that buildup isn't just water stains. Mineral deposits can slow the flow, so soak it in citric acid or vinegar for a minimum of 2 hours or overnight. I have a how-to video on this, link it in at the end of this video. Next, we have shower curtains and liners. Now, if yours has spots or mildew, toss it in the washing machine to scrub it clean. And if it's plastic, then you're going to need to replace it. Up next, we've got bathroom grout. Now, grout can absorb moisture, making it a breeding ground for mold. So scrub it with a paste of baking soda and water, then spray it with some vinegar for a deep clean. Or, for a faster and easier method, use a steam cleaner to lift the dirt from the tiles and the grout. Now for that toilet tank. You can clean the toilet bowl, but what about the tank? Over time, gunk builds up inside, so drop in 2 cups of white vinegar, let it sit for a few hours and flush it out. Walls and floors around the toilet. Those splashes, the collection of dust if not tackled, so wipe the walls, baseboards and behind the toilet. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Now, a dusty fan isn't just ugly, it's spreading grime. Now, if you can, remove the cover, vacuum or wash the cover. If not, like mine, just dust and use a soapy microfiber cloth to wipe down all areas of the fan. Now, your bathroom cabinets and drawers. Have you ever noticed how much dust, hair and products spilled and collect inside these? These should be cleaned out as part of your weekly routine using a disinfectant. Add these 7 bathroom reminders to your weekly or seasonal cleaning list to keep your bathroom looking fresh all year round. Now, for more bathroom cleaning tips, check out the next 2 videos coming up. And don't forget to give this video a like.